Hello everyone and welcome to Tech classes, and today it's our fifth class for CBSE Class 10 for the subject Artificial Intelligence. We are doing the first chapter of AI, that is Introduction to AI. In our last video, we have already covered the topic what is AI and what is not AI. And today we are going to discuss about some of the applications of AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. In our last video, we have learnt about what is AI. Let's just revise it once. See, every system or every machine that can train itself from data, and after getting trained, that can take decisions or predict something. Such a machine is called AI enabled machine, right? Now, the data that we use to train such model can be of any time. It can be text, numbers, images, videos, or it can be of any other format. Such systems continuously learn from data and improve themselves. Means even after training, when we test the model learns from the testing data also. These systems do not work on any fixed algorithm. They keep changing their algorithms depending on the training requirements. And they use any domain of AI such as computer vision, natural language processing, or data science. So today the applications that we are going to study will have all these features of AI. The very first application of AI is search engine. We use them to search anything. Anything means anything. Spellings, meanings, any cooking recipe, anything educational, any address, any government rule, or anything. Means we use search engine for all types of queries. Some popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, Microsoft Bing. Just think how many queries you can handle in a day. Imagine Google handles almost 65,000 queries per second. Means almost 6 billion queries in a day. And to handle such large number of queries, Google has to be AI enabled. In search engines, AI can be used to understand the language of any query, to autocorrect the misspelled words, to catch up the incomplete words or sentences, to find most appropriate results for your query. When it gets thousands of results for your query, it needs to index the results so that the most appropriate results can appear on the top. And we can also search anything from speech or from images. It means search engines use all the domains of AI. It can be data, computer vision, or natural language processing. Next comes virtual personal assistants. We can also call them pocket assistants or voice assistants. Alexa, Google Assistant, Cortana, Siri. These are some of the examples of virtual assistants. Suppose if we ask any virtual assistant about the temperature of any city, then it will tell you the current temperature of that city. How these virtual assistants actually work? To answer any query, a proper process is followed. Whatever query you ask, the virtual assistant records that query. Then it sends it to the cloud server, and there, after applying some machine learning algorithms, your query is decoded by the system and then the output is generated. Another application of AI is Google Maps. Google Maps is a web service that provides detailed information about geographical regions and sites worldwide. In addition to conventional road maps, Google Maps offer aerial and satellite views of many locations. Google Maps are used by GPS tracking systems, online taxi booking services like Ola or Uber. We generally use them to get directions or to avoid traffic when we go anywhere. We can use Google Maps simply by searching it on Google. Then we type the starting point and the destination point. Suppose we want to know the route from Buckingham Palace to Lord's Cricket Stadium. Then we simply type Buckingham Palace as starting point and Lord's Cricket Stadium as destination point. Then it shows different possible routes from your required starting and destination points along with the distance, the estimated time for your journey and the traffic situation on different routes. The routes that Google Map shows is coded into three colors: blue, red and orange. Red color segment shows the road areas with heavy traffic. Orange color shows the slow moving traffic areas and the blue color shows the smooth traffic areas. See, Google Map consists of all data of all the roads of this world. And to handle such a large volume of data, Google Maps also need to use AI. You will see the use of AI in sports also. For example, in cricket, cameras in stadium captures the match. Now, on those videos, AI is applied to calculate the ball swing, its speeds, its spin, and in the same way, AI can be used in other sports also like football or athletics. Next comes personalization or recommendation system. Suppose you have searched for a drone on Amazon, then whether you have purchased the drone or not. But whenever you will open Amazon again, it will give you recommendation for drones. And not only on Amazon, but if you open Facebook, you will get recommendations for drones. Or if you open YouTube, you will get recommendations for drone. Or if you open Instagram, you will get recommendations for drone there also. So how do these apps come to know about your interest for drone? Actually, whenever you search for anything on your device, your search data is stored on your device search history. Not only your search data, but your likes, dislikes, locations, and other digital behavior. Everything is stored in your device. And now these applications get the data about your interest from your device, and then on that basis, they start giving you recommendations. So in this way, you get a personalized experience because of artificial intelligence. Next comes email spam filtering. Just think every second how many mails are exchanged worldwide. And in these mails, there are so many mails that are advertising for some product or some game lottery or maybe a fraud mail. Means they all are spam mails. They are generally of no use for you. And so you don't want such mails to be a part of your regular mailbox. The solution is to transfer such mails in a separate folder so that these mails do not get mixed up with your important mails. And if we do this filtration manually, then obviously this is a very irritating and tiresome job to check the content of every mail and then transfer it to spam folder if found to be spam. And for this purpose, all email service provider applications use email spam filter feature of artificial intelligence. Email spam filter automatically checks every mail, and if found to be spam, it is transferred to the spam folder. You will find the use of AI in so many other areas also. Like chatbots are very useful application of AI. Chatbots are generally added to many applications like e-commerce, banking, educational, government, or any other such area to give assistance to the user. The user can inquire about anything and these chatbots replies their queries as if a human being is replying the questions. Manufacturers use robots to automate repetitive tasks or the task where high precision is required. Industrial robots can complete these tasks much faster and improve repeatability and quality of the products. Sophia, the humanoid, is a wonderful example of AI. Drone-based surveillance systems, real-time language translation, face recognition system, weather forecasting system, and what not. There can be so many examples of applications of AI. And the latest application of AI is generative AI. Generative AI is used to generate content of any type. It can create images, videos, audios, text, music, or even computer code. A very popular example of generative AI nowadays is ChatGPT. It's an open AI application which is backed by Microsoft. The full form of GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It can create any text content based on your query, like blogs, stories, letters, applications, articles, or it can be computer code. So, today we have studied some of the applications of AI like search engines, virtual assistants, Google Map, use of AI in sports, social media personalization, email spam filtration, and generative AI. In our next video, we will cover some AI-based terms like machine learning, deep learning, artificial neural networks, and some more terms. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.